guys, I'm going to show you how I set up the new portable catch box that I made. I used my old walker. This was what I needed to learn how to walk again after my stroke, but I don't need it anymore, so it's become expendable. Easy open. This is just a little piece of latex tubing which I use to rest the front of the catch box on. Here I have a simple little clip. That holds the catch box together. And inside I have just a couple of little pieces of wire to hold the top up, especially when if I hit it, it'll give it the support. As you can see, I have wire ties attached to clips so I can hang paper plates. I also have spinner targets, 3 rows of spinner targets, and if I want to shoot a cane, I can tie it here and let it hang down. So it's an extremely versatile unit. And now we're going to get a bonus because I am going to test out Tennessee Slangin's Rooster frame. Over the top design, really cool shape. That's why it's got the name Rooster. Fits very well in the hand, and I'm dying to put 5 shots into that paper plate. Be right back. Sun's gonna wreak a little havoc, I have a feeling. Hell, let's see what happens. Okay, Ethan, first shot. Let's see what happens. Hope I don't make the frame look bad. Okay. Little low, little left. This is also a test for the catch box. I've never used this type of netting before. It'll be interesting to see how it holds up to a beating. 5 shots ain't much of a beating, but it's more of a beating than no shot. Catch box worked great when it was on my workbench. Ooh, Ethan, I like the way that shot looked. think that was dead on line, maybe a touch low. Shot number 4 coming up. That, my friends, missed the plate entirely. I don't know if it shows up on the camera, but there was definitely a little bit of a twitch in my hand. That happens sometimes. When I'm working on projects, I spend more time picking stuff up off the floor, because my hands occasionally just get these little tiny spasms. Never know when they're coming, and it totally sucks. But I can stand here, I can pull a sling back. So, all in all, things could be a heck of a lot worse. Alright, 5 shots. Let's go see what the grouping looks like. Okay. How easy was that, guys? Well, we have 1, 2 that are right on line there. Shots like that, I could shoot spaghetti. You see those? Shots like that, you could definitely shoot spaghetti. We have one more over here. Nice tight group in there. This was the first shot. And yeah, somewhere in that netting was the 5th shot. That was when I had the little spasm. Now, here is the big test. I fired 5 shots. Let's see how many are actually in the catch box. And there they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would say the catch box. Hold on, let me put this down. So I would say that the catch box is a success. And I would say, just based on the tight grouping of the 3 shots, Ethan did a heck of a job designing this frame. It's really stylish. It feels good in the hand. And as you can see, it shoots pretty darn well. So Ethan at taking shots, kudos, man, you done good. And this is Surviving This Cruel World. Your buddy Pete telling you, Take care, my friends.